The Python Virtual Machine, PVM, is an integral part of the Python programming environment that executes Python bytecode. PVM acts as an interpreter that converts Python bytecode, which is a low-level representation of your source code, into machine code that your computer can execute. PVM features platform independent. PVM executes bytecode rather than platform-specific machine code. Python programs can run on any platform that has a compatible PVM. Interactive mode. PVM allows for an interactive shell, enabling developers to test snippets of code quickly. Debugging. PVM supports various debugging and profiling tools, helping developers optimize their code and identify performance bottlenecks. Garbage collection. The PVM also includes a garbage collector that automatically manages memory by reclaiming memory that is no longer in use, helping to prevent memory leaks. Let's understand how it works so that you can write more efficient Python code. When you run a Python script, the Python compiler translates the high-level Python code into bytecode. This bytecode is platform-independent and stored in .pyc files. Python is dynamically typed, meaning variable types are determined at runtime. The PVM manages this by keeping track of the types of objects during execution. The PVM takes this bytecode and interprets it and generates the program output. It uses a stack-based architecture, which means it processes operations by pushing and popping values to and from a stack.